Hi, Rob Bowyer on the AGCO farm in Llanbarrack. I'm the winner of the Massey Ferguson Ultimate Refurb competition. The tractor had done 18,000 hours, it was 18 years old, so naturally it was starting to show signs of age and wear. Things like the hitch had a bit of slack in it, and as did the loader, and the cab was starting to get a little bit tatty, so it'd be great to see what's been done about those things. Over the last 18 years I've done my best to look after the tractor since buying it in 2003, changing all the oils as needed and replacing the few bits that needed replacing, so it'd be great to see it in its new condition.
It's been great to come back and bring the MF5455 back home. The day's finally here and we're really excited to hand back your MF5455, which has had the ultimate refurb by the team in Beauvais and Massey Ferguson. Very excited to see what you think, so if you could take off your blindfolds please.
Wow, look at that. Like new, isn't it? Didn't really know what to say, to be honest.
No, I know, yeah, sorry.
It's amazing.
It's immaculate, I think is the way to put it.
Above immaculate almost. I think Massey Ferguson did an excellent job.
Oh, I think it's more than we expected, yeah.
It is, yeah.
We were expecting a tidy product coming back, but until you actually see it, I don't think you can really picture how good it's going to be. Of course, it was never brand new when we had it because it was ex-demo.
Oh.
So it is better than when we had it.
Okay, so here are the keys.
Thank you very much.
Okay, and there's one final gift from the team at Massey.
Excellent, lovely.
Yes.
Thank you very much. It's got that, not new tractor, but showroom condition tractor. It's got that smell in the cab. Everything's new and shiny.
Yeah.
There used to be bits hanging off, but they are no longer hanging off. It's a bit like meeting an old friend who's had a facelift.
Right, Rob, so would you like to have a look and see what we've done with this one?
Yes, please.
Okay, so if we start from the front, literally new batteries, new air filters, right the way back through, new radiator, complete new air conditioning system, new compressor obviously because that one was seized, new complete injection system, injectors, new pump, new starter motor, new alternator, new steps, complete new glazed cab, complete new steering control system, loader joystick, basically everything in there is new.
So that's going to make for a very good working environment for when they're using the tractor. So for example, it's got new seat, new radio, the aircon system's been completely revamped, new lights, visibility, new glass, wipers.
We've had most of the Massey series. When I was very small, we used to have a little T20 and then a 35 4-cylinder that you had a tow to start, and a 35X, and we had a 135 in 1969, which is still on the farm.
So you're Massey Ferguson fans then?
Yeah, we like red.
Rob, you'll be pleased to know that this tractor comes with a full 12 months backed warranty package, parts and labour, due to the genuine parts that have been used.
Where we can, we've been doing things sustainably by using products from our remanufactured product range, and on this tractor that includes the short block engine and also some electronics.
Yeah, we'd like to say to the team that thank you very much. It is very much appreciated, and can't imagine the amount of work that's gone into it to get it into this condition.
We're just greatly indebted to them, we really are.
Afraid to use it.
Yes, that's why we don't want to get it dirty. Thank you, Massey.
Yes.
It's been a huge team effort and a really enjoyable challenge. There's been a lot of people involved, including AGCO Parts and Service, the refurb team in Beauvais, and also our partners at Michelin and ALO and Quicker, who helped us with the tyres and with the refurb of the loader. Just really want to say big thanks to those because it has been a massive team effort.